Today let's prepare eggless vanilla cupcakes. You are going to start by adding in half a cup natural yogurt, followed by half a cup powdered sugar. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add in 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Time to add in half cup of milk. Now we will move to our dry ingredients and start by adding in 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and finally a pinch of salt and sieve. Time to prepare the baking tin and add in our cupcake liners. Add in the cupcake butter into the cupcake liners using a spoon or ice cream scooper. Let's put our cupcakes into the oven and bake for 25 minutes. Here is the final results. Our cupcakes are ready and they look and smell delicious. Can't wait for you to try this recipe. You will love it. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned to the next recipe. Bye!